Everybody, people at Happy Nuts sent me this trimmer. I think it's probably obvious to you what it's intended for, but it's not just that. I don't know. I got some long hair on my arms. Not anymore in that spot. So it quick easy job of trimming wherever you might need it. But got it for my son. He itches a lot, and this seems to help him. It comes with a nose hair trimmer, Type C charger, and it's got a couple of blade guards on it if you want to use those for different lengths of cut, and little brushes in there too. A little instruction guide, but anyway, they sent this to me to review, and we've tried it in different manners, and it does everything it's supposed to do, and no digging, pinching, pulling, or piercing. It does a great job. Happy Nuts, the Lumberjack. Yeah, you can get you one. Thanks. Bye now.